Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Pam and this is my beauty space. So I do have my foundation done. I do have my eyebrows. I have a palette that I have not used. I've had it, bought it, and still haven't used it. And it is the ILUVSARAHI and Dose of Colors palette. It's such a beautiful palette. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm like, why haven't I used this yet? So why not film something? Not sure exactly what this is gonna be, but let's film something together. So that's the outside of the palette. I'm gonna just swatch everything for you guys just in case. It's not a new palette, but whatever. I feel like sometimes I look up old palettes and I sometimes don't even find swatches for them. So why not? The names of the colors are on the back, I believe. Hopefully I have this right. This one is Un Poquito Mas. I'll swatch it for you guys. How should we do it? Let's do it this way. It's cleaner. Maybe I can show you that way. So this is Un Poquito Mas, or hold on, let me double check. Okay, Poquito Mas, and it looks like that. The next color I'm going to swatch is Sun Glow, and it's like a nice gold color. It's like a copper color. Next it is Wanderlust. This is a nice brown color. And that one, I don't know why it looks like it's skipping a little. I don't know if I'm bugging out, but it looks like that. Loungy. And this one looks really pretty. It's like a apricot looking color right here. And I'll put it right next to the Wanderlust. This one's a little light, but it's a nice color to kind of buff everything else out. Alright, so the next color is Palma. And this one looks beautiful. Oh, you guys, literally glides. Look at that. And that's what that one looks like. It's like a black with blue glitter. How about that? And ooh, she's pigmented. She's black, but not as black as like my NYX black that I love. But it also has a bunch of glitter, so it's beautiful. I might actually just do a smoky eye today. Should I? What should I do? I'm actually gonna use my contour, my Anastasia Beverly Hills medium to tan contour kit. It's just the powder. That's what I'm using. My crown brush C325 round angle blender, and I'm using that just to buff that out. Just some random little brush that I have because I cannot find my contouring brush. So I'm just going to use that to chisel out my cheekbones. I'm going to go ahead and conceal because I'm living the backwards life today. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in medium and tan. Because I am more tan right now, you know, I still have that vacation tan going on. Because I do, I will just start off with tan, and then I'll just put a couple dots of the medium concealer just to brighten under my eyes mostly. So I'm gonna pick up some powder. I'm mixing both the Pretty Vulgar palette, I'm mixing the Pretty Vulgar, and some of the Huda Beauty Kunfa powder. So that's what I'm mixing. I'm going to keep, I think I'm going to keep the powder that's under my nose, just because I'm using Salt Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. You guys, I've been so into mukbangs lately. I mean, I've always watched them, but lately I've been like hooked on them. Like, hooked is on another level because I literally watch one every day. I feel like it makes you full, and I'm trying to diet right now. And for some people, it makes them hungry. I can't lie, for a minute, I'm like hungry for a few minutes, but then I'm like satisfied also. It's the weirdest thing. I honestly crave whatever they're eating, but it's the weirdest thing because I feel full. I'm gonna keep forgetting the names of it. So with the light apricot color, I'm going in with that one first. So as I'm applying it, I'm blending the edges as well. And I am just kind of blowing that out, just because that won't be the only color we're putting in our crease. So I'm going with Wonderlust, which is that darker red, almost reminds me a lot of Brown Script from MAC. So I'm going to use both. I honestly didn't even need this powder under my eyes because there's literally no fallout on this palette. So amazing. I did do the other eye off camera just because I don't want it to be a long ass video. I want to put a black base so that that really pretty Palma color, that green, pops. So maybe I'll do that. So I'm using my, as always, Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. The thing with this eyeliner is it dries quick, so you kind of have to work fast. Okay, I'm sorry about that. You guys were so far. I'm just patting it on. The black eyeliner. So I'm blending it as I'm also adding it to those colors I have there. Don't forget the edges right here. These little areas that sometimes we forget. And then I'm going to go in with the brush that I applied Wonderlust with. And I'm just going to smoke it out with it. A little slanted brush. And I'm going to go in into the eyeliner before I apply that blue. Just so I can get in here. It's just easier before you apply glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the bottom lash line too. I'm going to pick up some black eyeshadow and I'm going to set that black eyeliner. So now I'm going back into Wonderlust and I'm going to have this little Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that has like a little small side. And I'm going to blend this out with it. So now you guys are going into Palma finally. So I went ahead and I sprayed my 775 brush from Bedelium Tools. And just dip right into there. I'm going to coat the brush completely. Just like that. Ooh, child, this color is so pretty. On both sides. So it's just, that makes it easier to to take off. You know, you don't want to get it all over your foundation and your hard work. Okay, so now for the other eye, do the same thing. Spray and coat the brush with the product. Before I apply the lashes, I'm going to go ahead and just apply some mascara. And I'm using the Beauty Counter mascara. It's a lengthening mascara. You use any. It doesn't really matter, girl. Ow. Okay, so we're going to be applying lashes. And you guys know my favorites are the Sephora Lilly lashes. Well, Lilly lashes and the Sephora ones. These are in the style Miami. I think I'm going to go in with a nude lipstick. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Uncuffed. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a lip liner just yet, but we'll see. I actually think I'm going to get a little bit of a darker liner. So I'm going to use the liner, the dark side of the Duo Ombre in Ginger and Nutmeg from NYX. Just to outline a little bit. There's literally glitter everywhere, you guys. All over my face, all over my work desk, everywhere. So I'm just going to use some of the Fenty lip gloss just in the center. I honestly do like the palette. It's a great palette. If you want to give someone something or buy one for your collection, it's perfect. It's so small, compact, and you can take it with you anywhere. The only thing I can't say about Fallout is only one eyeshadow, which is glitter, and that is to be expected with glitter eyeshadows. Obviously, I know we put a shitload of powder on our faces, so I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus, and then we're going to highlight, because what life am I living? That I'm going to be using. So first I'm going to apply Soft and Gentle by MAC. I forgot how pretty that is. Ooh, ooh. I'm picking up a small brush and I'm just putting that on the bridge of my nose. So now, this is my finished look, okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see more of, and yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.